Hi, my name is Ashwini. I am math teacher. I have completed my MSc B.Ed in mathematics. I have 8 years of experience in teaching mathematics. Today I am giving demo on Heron's formula for grade 9 CBSE students. What do you mean by Heron's formula? This is actually new concept for you, formula, in your previous classes. But the concept related to Heron's formula you have learnt in previous classes, because it is related to triangles, to find the area of triangles. Before that we have to know something about Heron. Heron is an Egypt mathematician. Heron derived one formula. He derived the formula to find the area of triangles. Why we have to find the area of triangle by using Heron's formula? Because already we know one formula to find the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. Okay, so half into base into height is the formula to find the area of triangle. Again we are learning this new formula to find the area of triangle. Why? Because this formula is mostly used to find the area of right angle triangle, because in right angle triangle the sides which are connected to 90-degree angle directly we can take as height and base of the triangle. For example, here if height is this side is 6 centimeter and this side is 3 centimeter, we can directly apply to the formula half into base is 3 now here, so I can write 3 here, and height is 6. Okay, so this 6 you can cancel from 2 here, 2 3s are 6. Now only 3 into 3 into 1 is remaining, that you can multiply and write as 9 centimeter square. So the area of this triangle, right angle triangle, is 9 centimeter square. In case if they ask us to find the area of this triangle here, and triangle PQR, so how will you find? Because there is no which side can we consider as height? This QR we can consider as base in case if it is 8 centimeter, and which line you will consider as height if it is 5 centimeter and it is 7 centimeter. Here we cannot consider PQ or PR as height, because height how will we measure? If it is perpendicular line, then only we can measure it as height. But here these PQ and PR are slanting lines, we cannot consider as height. Height of this triangle is this one, the line should be perpendicular. Okay, for these type of triangles, if we use Heron's formula, we can easily find the area of the triangle. But here Heron used sides of triangle to find the area. Okay, how he is used sides of triangle to find the area, that we will learn now. And you already got it now, why it is called as Heron's formula? Because the scientist name who derived the formula is Heron, that's why it is called Heron's formula. This formula is used to find the area of triangle. Okay, now I will just write the formula which is derived by Heron, that is area of triangle is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here S is semi-perimeter of triangle, semi-perimeter of given triangle. And what about A, B and C? A, B and C are sides of triangle which we are going to find the area. Here then I have given one example. Now here we can consider this 5 side, one side is 5 centimeter. Now 5 and other two more sides 7 and 8. So we can take it as A, B and C. So how to find the area by using this Heron's formula? We will see with this example triangle PQR. Before that, directly we can apply this A, B, C, but how to take the value of S? S means semi-perimeter, no? And what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means P of triangle is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides, because perimeter already you know the borderline of the figure is called perimeter. Here sum of all sides, if we consider, that will be the border of triangle, no? So here what are the sides of this triangle? Here sides of triangle we have taken as A plus B plus C, no? So that you can write, that is A plus B plus C. So that is perimeter of triangle. But here in Heron's formula, S means semi perimeter, no? So what do you mean by semi? Semi is half, okay? Semi means half. So half perimeter. Therefore S is A plus B plus C by 2. Half means we have to divide by 2, no? That's why semi perimeter is sum of all sides by 2 we have to do to get the value of S. Now we will see one example to understand the concept even more better. I will consider this example only, which is there here, triangle PQR. I will just apply Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle PQR with sides 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now I am just applying the values for the formula. Formula is here already here. I am just applying the values for area of triangle PQR. Here the triangle PQR is having the sides 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. That you can write as A as 5 centimeter, B as 7 centimeters and C as 8 centimeters. So just I am going to apply. Before that you have to find S value also. S is A plus B plus C by 2 already I have written. I will just apply directly to the formula. A is 5 plus B is 7 plus C is 8 by 2. So this is semi perimeter. 5 plus 7 plus 8 is 20 by 2. What is 20 by 2? 10. Therefore S is 10 centimeter. Now we have all the values of S, A, B and C. So just I am going to substitute to the formula. Therefore area is equals to under root S. S is 10 into S minus A, 10 minus 5 into S minus B, 10 minus 7 into S minus C, 10 minus 8. After that gives under root this 10 as it is. 10 minus 5 is 5 into 10 minus 7 is 3 into 10 minus 8 is 2. So here there is a square, no, that we have to remove. To remove that we have to make a pair of possible numbers. So that I am going to write now, that here 2 is there, no. So this 10 we can write as, to make the pair with 2, 2 5s are, okay. So that here 1 2 and here 1 2 we will get, and this 5 we can write as into 5 and this 3 as it is and 2 also as it is. Now we have two numbers, two pair of numbers, that is here this 2 and this 5. When we are taking out the number from under root, if there are 2 we can write it one number out from the square root. So that is from these two 2's, 1 2 I have written, and from these 2 5's, 1 5 I have written out of the square. Now inside the square only 3 is remaining. So 2 5's is how much? 10 under root 3. So this is our required area of triangle PQR. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is 10 under root 3 centimeter square. Like this, you can find the area of given triangle by using Heron's formula.